Alright, what's happening here?
Oh, we're working way up toward the fourth layer. Lisa just dug out the tunnel.
Over, and Ed wants to try to build an igloo. It is snowing quite heavily though. Let's see how we're coming along.
What we do is when
we're making an igloo. Step one.
Foot the outside for a rim.
What's it looking like out here?
It's white.
Tack on the base there too, some point.
Yep.
Okay.
Are we gonna have a place to sleep by nighttime?
I don't know. Each objective.
All right, what's happening here?
Oh, we're working way up toward the fourth layer. Lisa just dug out the tunnel so she can come in.
Wow.
So she can crawl
Oh,
out.
we've already done the tunnel. I didn't even realize that. Nice.
It's not too low, then we won't. I think once it's done, maybe. Yeah. You can wait till you're done, or you can do it after 3 layers.
All right, we have the 5 p.m. update. It is still snowing. You don't want. Oh, you leave that like that. Okay. Slide it to 6 right now.
Take it off.
Okay. It's looking tall. I messed it up, but they somehow figured it out.
It's longer, so it makes a difference.
Great.
Okay, I think we're good with this now.
How you doing, Lisa?
You're the most important piece right now.
Not to get more snow in my jacket.
Another 2 blocks, and then we'll get rid of the.
Who's up there?
Exactly. Yes. So.
It's hilarious how tight they've gotten themselves in there.
All right. We are at the 5:30 p.m. update. We are almost in the dark, and it is done, supposedly. Have energy to ski tomorrow.
Everybody
This will
smile.
give you energy, man.
Snow makes you through.
10 eggs or something like that.
10 eggs.
Something like that.
Wow.
It's quite caloric.
Oh, poor
Quite
dog.
caloric.
All right, we are 6:30 the next morning, and it really came down last night. I mean, you have to remember, this is after cleaning off these cars and this driveway. Snow. That's lighter though. Wow. kind of mid-shin towards knee-high through here. And igloo. Oh, it kind of looks like it has a crack, but I think that's just so much snow. Still looks cozy, but it's dark in there. There's the igloo, it's holding strong. Not going to attempt to try to make it up through there. Here's a little walk through our neighborhood. And this is then coming back into our property. Can't even really make out the house. So I've just been snow clearing all day, raking roofs, and now about to go have some fun. Way up.